Hi, my name is Prakhar, and this project is to automate the task of colony counting. In microbiology, colony forming unit is used to estimate the number of viable bacterial or fungal cells in a sample. So, as in this sample, the colonies which are in yellow, which are in white, are to be counted. Usually, this process is done manually. My task is to automate that process. All you have to do is to take a good quality picture from your mobile phone and then go to this website. The link is mentioned in the description. Upload the image and then click submit button. After a few seconds you will get the response. As you can see in this example, the number of colonies detected are marked in green. So 389 colonies are detected. The techniques that are available are using pen or touch to mark the presence of colony and thus increasing the counters simultaneously. So in this example, we have to mark the colonies manually and then the counter would increase. Other techniques include using the device which are very expensive. The disadvantage of previous methods are these are time consuming, and in this machine this is a costly. This app gives the result very quickly and it is also not very expensive. Another feature of this app is that it can count colonies in very close proximity of each other. So in this example, as two colonies are overlapping, so it intelligently detects that these are two different colonies and not one, and thus gives the accurate colony count. Thank you.